Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can isolate vocals from your songs in CapCut PC. Unfortunately, I can't really play the audio for obviously some issues. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select audio. You don't need to extract audio for this. You're just going to select vocal isolation here, and you're going to select keep vocal, and it will only keep the vocal from the song. It will remove the music part of the song, but it will keep the vocal element to it. And yeah, that is it. Unfortunately, I can't play, but you'll have to test it out yourself. It is a pro feature. Let me just tell you that right now. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!